We recently received the Red Dot award for our POLAROS RP 600, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to sit down with our senior development engineer Simon and senior project manager Fredrik to talk about the journey and the innovation and what makes it a great product.
I was truly thrilled to hear that we got the award, and also it's always nice to see that the entire team's hard work is getting recognized.
What do you think impressed the Red Dot jury the most?
I think it was a combination of the design, including the smart intelligence with the ramp up and ramp down function. Then also how incredibly silent the tool is.
What problem does POLAROS solve for the customers?
I think it addresses two things. It's how the user safety and also the ergonomics. That's 2 years Mirka's always prioritized. You can have multiple hand positions, which is always good when you're working to change things up. And then again, how silent it is.
We visited quite a lot of customers and users. We tried to get to know what was good or what is good and what is bad about the polishers that are on the market. And then we tried to improve what is good and then also to get rid of the bad things. And in my opinion, I think we have accomplished that.
What was your reaction when you heard that we had won the Red Dot Award?
I was humbled and of course very pleased.
What makes POLAROS different from other machines?
The lack of the gearbox, because when you don't have the gearbox, it will be silent and much more efficient.
What are you personally most proud of about the POLAROS?
Being able to make a polisher without the gearbox, I would say.